I gotta show you my account. See?
Wow, it's really bad. Have you considered doing house sitting?
Wait, what's that?
Check this out. This is the homepage of your My Home website, and this is basically a platform for property owner and reliable house sitters. So, which means house sitters can live for rent free across Australia.
Wow, that looks interesting. Let me have a look.
Time to rest for a while. Gonna use the free time to look for someone to maintain my house during the holidays. Hopefully it's cheap. Wow, this is a great idea. I don't have to pay a single cent to list a house, and there is a video chat function so I can check on my house conditions. Let's give it a try.
A few moments later.
Oh, hi. You must be Jack. I'm David from UQ.
Hi, yeah, nice to meet you, David. That's cool. I used to study in UQ, but I've graduated from there. You seem interested in house sitting my apartment.
Yeah, that's right. I need to find another place to stay, so the rent is just too high now and I have to pay for my school fees.
That's right. I'll be away for a 3-month holiday. You're welcome to stay at my house, but do help take care of my plants and my dog. Will that be alright for you?
Yeah, no problem. I love dogs. If you're worried, I don't mind having a video call every fortnight so you can check on the conditions.
That would be great. I'll pass the key this coming Friday at 3 PM. Would that be alright?
Yeah, no problem. Thank you. See you then.